Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shaggy from Scooby-Doo step by step for beginners. So if you're a beginner, this is the place to be. I'm going to be using this marker. It's a Crayola brand marker. You can grab any marker you want, but if you want this one or maybe others I recommend, I'm going to put a link in the description somewhere, I'm sure, and you can check that out. So let's get going with this. If you're ready, let's start. Pay attention and let's go. I'm going to start with the top part of Shaggy's hair. It's going to be kind of like a flat shape, almost like a muffin. And it's going to pull down. That's a really big thing. His hair goes down like the hippie hair, right? That's kind of what he is, essentially. He's a hippie. And I'm going to pull a few little prongs out of that. It doesn't have to be exactly that, but it can be like a W shape. And it's going to roll into the hairline. And then there's going to be like kind of an S-curve, and here's another S-curve. It's going to be the sideburn area. I'm going to go into the ear, which is basically the letter C. And I'm going to try to make his like one swoop from, I'm going to pull down into the jaw. And I'm going to pull this down into this jaw area. And I'm going to round it out toward the bottom. Alright. I'm going to pull it to the back of the hair. And that's also going to have, you know, obviously his name's Shaggy, right? It's going to have this Shaggy-like hair. It's just a bunch of Z shapes, really. And do them at your own. You know, if I draw this over again, those Z shapes will be slightly different. It's kind of into the back of the head. I'm going to pull the neck long. He has a really long neck. If he was a real human, he probably couldn't exist because his neck is so long. I meant like that animation form. I put a little dot back here for the back of the shirt where it causes a shadow around his neck. Pull it down. And it's he's gonna have like a slight, he has like a V-neck I think on. And then the top part of the shirt, which is essentially just kind of a bump there. Pull down. And that's pretty much it for the shirt. You can throw the armpit here if you really want, but I'm not really gonna do that much, just that. So let's go back into his face. So I'm gonna draw a nose coming a very thin line under his eye. Well, obviously I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I pull back a little bit, just kind of see what I'm drawing here. So you can see really as well. I'm gonna throw another little line right here. I'm doing like the number 6, but with that the circle of the 6 filled in. Just kind of remember that. And he has little scraggly hairs, kind of in a circular pattern on his chin. And that's pretty much it. You can also, you can kind of make his hair a little bit shaggier on that side. And also I forgot about the far side hair as well. The far side kind of rounds around there. See, that makes him look more like Shaggy right there. And if you really want, you can draw some straggling hairs from where kind of the part of his hairline. And that is it Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like this, press that like button. If you like the subject matter, press that like button. Also, if you have any requests, if you have a question, if you just want to say hi to me, I love that. Say hi to me in the comments. I reply to every single comment, all of them. Even if you say hi, I'm gonna respond. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you very soon, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, one last thing before you go. There's a how to draw cute ebook I have. It is 10 pages on how to draw cute subject matter. I have it for free for the moment, but I might charge for it later. So right now it's totally free, 10 pages. Get that in the description. It'll teach you how to draw cute stuff. So talk to you guys another time. See you soon.